course schedule that was agreed upon back in February, I guess. Made the changes quite recently. Anyways, this poster, which is right here, there are physical copies, I guess, on all the floors. And if somebody were to basically go to this shortened URL or this one, it would take them to either this document or this document. What's going on? Why is it slowing down? Okay, computer's slow. Still thinking. All right, so they would go to this document right here. It's all loaded. I don't know why it's taking so. It's still loading, I guess. All right, still working. All right. Anyways, so people already have the ability to comment right now. Everyone, well, still working, but once it's done working, I'll show. Yeah, so anyone with a link, this thing right here, basically, you can just copy paste that or type it in. I shortened it so that it was less typing, I guess. But if you have the link, which everyone does, everyone has the ability to comment. There's no sign-in required. Let's go to advanced. So, these people, just for whatever reason, they were just grandfathered in. Quite frankly, I don't even know why this is here. They don't even need to see all this. They already have it. They don't need explicit permission. Right? So, but anyone can automatically already comment. So, for example, somebody could come in here and say, hey, there's a problem here. And they could just, insert comment, please double check, right? And what would happen is when, because I'm logged in by a different person, so, but this would pop up either here, right, or up here, and then somebody else like myself or whoever wants to be the maintainer would see it and then could say, oh yeah, I resolved that issue. Let's just do that. After I fix that, right, it would then disappear. It would be gone. So it's just a way. I'll just put another one here. Please double check that this is keyboard status. I don't know if that's called satisfaction. I don't know. I don't know, just correct. All right, so I just put that here. And now, anyone actually can see it. And of course, only certain individuals can resolve or otherwise modify. Because if everyone has the right to modify, it can get really quite hairy. We can also change, or rather, we can also see exactly the progression of changes. So if we were to go at the start of the year, let's say, this is what it looked like. If we go even further out, let's go here at 10 a.m. right? So this is, I think, the start of the thing, and there are some questions as to, for example, like, is this a lab or something? And then I guess at 10 or 2 hours later, I guess it was a result that it was a lab, and then 3 hours later, I guess it was just a formatting issue, and then February 6th, no formatting issue, no big changes, I suppose. And then this was, I believe, there was some issues with regard to biology. It looks like there was a change made. And then I guess later in that week, so later in that week, this was also cleaned up. Engineering, for example, was pushed up to the correct time, which would be, I guess, again, 1:45. That's not 1:30, 1:45 per Gina. And in August, that was yesterday, yeah. Anyways, just made the changes for the blah, blah, blah. So you can always track changes. So everyone can see that as well. I'm pretty sure everyone can see. Well, because, if not, everyone certainly can make a comment, and you can create even more complex comment threads. Okay, hope that helps.